Friends, welcome to my channel. In this Python Pandas tutorial series, let's see what is Pandas series and data frame. Okay, let's understand the difference between these two. Right. So starting with Pandas series it's like an one-dimensional object. Okay, so when I say one-dimensional, it is you can just imagine a single column in a table. Okay, a single column is just a one-dimensional object, right? So this is how a Pandas series will be. So I will show an example of how this works in our next section. So continuing with Pandas parallels, Pandas data frame is a two-dimensional object. So when I say two-dimensional, it is like imagine like a table with rows and columns. Okay, so just imagine a sample SQL table. So that's an example of Pandas data frame. Okay, and yeah, as I said in the second point, it's more like a column in a table, and it's like an entire table. So again, Pandas series and data frame can hold a data of any data type. So let's see these two with an example so that you will have a better understanding. Okay, so let me move to my Python. Okay, so first to work with Pandas series or data frame, we have to actually import the Pandas library. So import Pandas as PD, and consider let's have a basic list, something like this one, comma 2 comma 3. Okay, now if I want to create a series out of this list, then probably okay, what I can do is I can simply create a series, Pandas series of it. So I'm just gonna pass the value a here. Now if I print the value of x, obviously it will print 1 2 3. So let me run and show this. Yeah, now it's running. So now a Pandas series is created. So this is a series starting with index 0 1 2. So the value is 1 2 1 3. Just for better understanding, I'm just going to change these values. Let's say 4 5 and 6. Okay, so the index is 0 1 2 and the value is 4 5 6. So this is a very basic Pandas series. So in order to confirm if it is a Pandas series or not, you can just print the type. So print type of x. So now it will, yeah, now it confirms it is a Pandas series. Okay, so this is how you can verify if you have generated a Pandas series. Okay, so let's see another example with another list. Okay, of how we can work with the Pandas series. So again, I'm gonna import Pandas as PD, and say I am gonna have list as list one. So I'm gonna have multiple values inside it. Let me have few values, like few string values like Python. So I'm gonna have list created here. PRT H O, yeah. Okay, so this is a very sample list I've created, and so I'm planning to create a series out of this. SCR equal to PD dot series list one, right? So print series, and I'm gonna print the type as well. Print type of my series, right? So let me comment this value. Now if I run this, and now I've created another Pandas series for a list here. Okay, so again, index start with 0. 0 is assigned to P, 1 is assigned to Y. Similarly, up to from 0 to 5th index, it is assigned the where each and every individual values in the list. Okay, so finally you can verify if it is a series or not. Earlier we saw the data type as it was an integer object earlier. Now it is just a sample object. Okay. So this is how you can work with pandas. You can create a pandas series. Now let's discuss about pandas data frame. Okay. Pandas data frame, as we discussed earlier, it is a two-dimensional object, similarly like a table. So let's continue creating a pandas data frame. And so let me try creating a pandas data frame out of this single object itself. Okay, so we had a so we can create a pandas data frame out of a single dimensional object as well, also with multi-dimensional values. So here I'm gonna just change the series to data frame, and yeah, so now I'm gonna print this. So let me comment all the pandas series stuff. Now let's focus on pandas data frame alone. And yeah, now it is created a data frame for me. So the index started with 0 1 2, and this is my column 1. Okay, so now it now it created a default index with the column name, whereas if you want to specify column names also, we can do that. We'll see those in details in our upcoming playlist videos. Okay. And now, so this is how we can create a single dimensional data frame object. So similarly, you can also create multi-dimensional data frame object. Let me show you another example. Again, import, and sorry, let me copy this. So let me have a data like multi-dimensional data. Say, let me create a dictionary. Okay, so that we can easily understand how a data frame, how a multi-dimensional data frame look like. So let me have a name and age of few people, and maybe I'll have Ram and Ravi and say Raj, and we have okay Rose, fine. So, and then we will have age. Okay, age for these respective people. So age is gonna be 23 comma 21 comma 31 comma 29. Okay, so any age values. So now let me print this as a data frame. So now let me convert this into a data frame. Okay, so pandas pd dot data frame of data. Now let me print the data frame, print df, and print the type of data frame, the type of data frame. So yeah, let me comment this for better understanding. Now if I run this, it will create a data frame object. Yeah, so now you can have a clear visibility of how a data frame looks like. Now in earlier example, we just had a single dimensional object, so it had an index value, and also it had default column value specified. It started with 0, whereas in this example we have we have created a dictionary, and we wanted to convert this dictionary into a pandas data frame, right? So we converted this and created into a data frame object. So now if the index started with 0, so the value, the name and age of different people is now assigned to uh, each row and its respective column in the data frame. Okay, so you can just imagine it as a table. So yeah, so that's how you can create a multi-dimensional data frame. Now all the values is now it created an index for me at the beginning, and also it created a column called name and age for me because we have specified the column names here. So and finally you can verify if it is a data frame object or not. So this is how a data frame will look like. Okay, so we will see detail detail how to work with Pandas series and data frame in our upcoming playlist videos. So probably you can keep watching the playlist for more information on the Pandas data frame, how to work with Pandas data frame, selecting and indexing Pandas data frame, and how do you handle missing values. So there are multiple concepts and multiple ways on how you can work with data frame. So you can keep watching the upcoming videos. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.